Hello there, thanks so much for joining me. I want to share with you a foil project that I am working on for Mother's Day. I got this from my mom for Christmas. It's a foil transfer kit, and she also got me a little box of replacement tips, which is awesome. And in the transfer foil kit, you will get some sheets. They look like they're about 4x6. And there's a few different colors. There's silver, there's gold in here. Here's the gold. And here's, I think, white. I think that's it. Alright, and then in the back are these little sheets. I'm going to show you my big one because I ended up buying a 12x12 because of the project that I'm doing is going to be on a 12x12 canvas. So here are the pieces of tape. So when you put your foil onto your mat, you're going to tape it down so it doesn't go anywhere. And inside the transfer kit, you also will get 3 different little blades. This is fine, this is medium, and this is bold. And the way that you can tell the difference is the fine is 1 line, the medium has 2, and the bold has 3. Now I'm going to use the bold because I feel like that was going to be the best one. So it's nice and easy. It's magnetic, so you're going to just slide it in there and it just pulls it right in. And if you want to take it out, you just push this little knobby little thing, and then ta-da! So I'm going to put that back in there, and I'm going to put this to the side, and I'm going to show you the design on my Cricut Design space and what I'm using, and let's get started. So I wanted to share with you on my laptop one of the projects I was working on over the weekend, and this is what it's going to look like. I don't know why that is missing, but I'm going to show you how to do it from scratch. Let's get out of there. And I'm going to go to New. And I got a nice blank canvas. So I'm going to click on Images. And I have all access. I pay yearly, so I've got tons and tons of images that I can use. I'm going to type in Mom. All right. And, oh, it's right there, right at the top. Okay, so I really, really want to try this. I just feel like it'd be really, really pretty. For the border, I tried so hard to find a border in Images, and I could not find one that I liked. I'm going to show you how to make your own border. So I'm going to put this down here. I go over here to the left side, and I'm going to click on Shapes, and I'm going to click on the square. And I am going to duplicate it. All right, I'm going to change the color so I can see what I'm doing. And I'm going to make it just a little bit smaller, so it has a little outline. Now I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to shift so I have selected both of them. I'm going to go up to the top where it says Align, and I'm going to center it. Now, once that is done, you're going to go over to the bottom right corner, and you've got the options down here: Slice, Weld, Attach, Flatten, and Contour. You're going to click on Slice. I love this tool. You can cut it out. It's just awesome. There's a lot of fun things you can do in here. So I'm going to get rid of this box because I don't need this one. And Look at that. And I'm gonna get rid of that one. So there I go. And if you don't like how thick it is, now that it's bigger, you can always go and duplicate again and change the color and just go a little bit smaller. Select both of them, align center, and slice again. And once that is done, you're going to get rid of the excess. So there's my one that I want. This one's thicker, or that one's thinner. They kind of look almost the same. No, there. Ta-da! Now I'm going to bring this image up and I'm going to put it in the middle. Same thing. I'm going to go over to the side and shift and click on both of them so they're both shaded. Go over to the top, click on center, and it's nicely in the middle. Now I am going to attach this at the bottom so that it is all one image. And I'm going to go up here because it says operation, it says basic cut. We don't want to cut. We want to foil. So I'm going to go down to where it says foil and it says fine, medium, or bold. And I'm going to click on the bold. And automatically it turns it to that. And look at how cool. I know it's 2 lines, but I really like the way that looks. I cannot wait to try this out. Now obviously this can't be a 12 by 12 image. So I'm going to make it 11. Can I do 1175? I can. I can't. Over here it says no. It's probably too big. So I'm going to try 11 and a half. And that went away. So that image was too big for the Cricut mat. You are all ready to go. And I have yet to try this. So here we are going to try this together. So I'm going to go over here and click Make It. Oh, look how beautiful that looks. There we go. Now, set base material. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to click all materials. And I'm going to type in foil. And I'm going to click on this. It's the only thing that is coming up. I'm going to click done. And it tells me what we need to do. So I'm going to put the pressure on. Oh, I always like to go on more. I'm going to try it. We're going to try it. See what happens. Alright, so I'm going to take out my tool that I have in there. And I'm just going to put it in here real quick. And then I'm going to put this in. There we go. I had this beautiful piece of cardstock at Michael's. And I'm going to place it on my mat because this is where you're going to want the foil to draw on your cardstock. I know that there are different things that you can use the foil with, but for my purposes only, I'm going to show you the cardstock. Now it says, once your design is complete, select Make It, follow instructions, put in the transfer tool when instructed. When prompted, place the foil transfer sheet shiny side up on base material. So that is my cardstock. So I'm going to put the shiny side up. See, it's shiny, and this is a little more dough. Shiny side up. Okay. And then once that is done, I am going to take my tape and carefully tape it all onto the mat. Catches it, so it makes a little bubbly. I don't think it should matter, but oh no! You don't want to do that. Okay, here we go. So it's going to look like that. Like that. And we load it in. All right, here we go. Let's hope that this comes out because I only got one piece of purple cardstock at Michael's the other day, so here we go. All right, so now I'm going to carefully, as you can see, I'm going to pull this off. Oh my goodness. Look how beautiful that is. I cannot wait to see the heart. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. So if you carefully take this off, and I'm trying not to get it all attached, you can save some of this foil. Because a pack, I think that was $20. No, I don't think it was 20. I think it was like 15 or something. And this comes off nice and easy. I'm going to put this back on here. So I have some extra pieces that I can put away for another time. I'm gonna bring this over. Oh my word. Look at that. Beautiful. So I'm going to take off You could obviously put this in a shadow box frame or something else. I just wanted it on a canvas, so I'm going to find something to put on the back of that. Some kind of tape. So here is the finished product. I am going to get a little stand for it and gift it away. I hope that this was nice and easy for you. I am so excited how this came out. It is beautiful, nice and easy. I know that when you rub it, it will start to fade, so try not to rub it. But other than that, it's nice and shiny, gorgeous. a great buy. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much. Please be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Click that like button. Comment down below if you've made any crafts using the foil transfer, any tips that you have for me, if you have any, and any questions that you may have regarding this project. Take care, stay safe, be blessed, and I will see you next time. Bye.